Okay, now see here, we have started the laws. Two laws we have done. First is a raised to power x multiply a raised to power y is equal to a raised to power x plus y. In multiplication, when bases are same, powers are added. Okay, first law we have done. Second law is in division, when bases are same, powers are subtracted. Okay, now the third law. Now see on the screen. Now third law. Third law is, if x raised to power minus a means any number raised to power minus in negative, if your exponent or power is in negative, what you have to do, you have to, means this is in the numerator, no, and we have denominator is 1, so you have to reciprocal it, 1 upon x raised to power a. Okay, whenever your exponent, your power in negative, you have to reciprocal the number. Okay, understood? Next is, suppose now my voice is not clear. Now it is audible. Now listen again. For example, if I write 2 raised to power minus 3, how we write 2 raised to power minus 3? It is written 1 upon 2 raised to power 3. Or we can write 1 upon 2 raised to power 3 here. Okay, one and the same thing. This is your example. Write down all of you. This is your third law. Any number, when exponent is negative, you have to reciprocal the number. Okay. Now fourth law. Your fourth law is, if any number raised to power a and whole raised to power b, what is equal to? It means these two power are in multiplication. One power is inside the bracket, other power is outside the bracket. So it means it will be multiplied. So x raised to power ab, we can write together ab. Okay, write the law. Afterwards, I'll give you the example. X raised to power ab. Okay, now see the example. Example is, if I write 2 raised to power 3 and 4. So what is the answer? 2 raised to power 3 fours are 12. So 2 raised to power 12. This is an example. Okay, 2 raised to power 12. Now see again. If I write 5 raised to power x and 5 raised to power 2. So what will be the answer? So x and 2 is multiplying, no? So answer is 5 raised to power 2x. 2x, yes. Understood the two laws? Again, I am repeating. See here on the whiteboard. First, listen again. First law is 2 raised to power 3. I am writing the examples. Okay. I am writing the examples of the laws. 2 raised to power 3 multiply 2 raised to power 4. So which is equal to 2 raised to power 3 plus 4. So which is equal to 2 raised to power 7. This is your first law. Second law, 2 raised to power 3 divided by 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 2 raised to power 3 minus 4. So which is equal to 2 raised to power minus 1. Or now power is in minus. Now see here the third law, which is related in the second law. Yes, third law is negative, but you see in the second law there is an answer is in negative. So what you have to do? Answer is 1 upon 2. Okay, you can change 1 upon 2. This is your third law now. Your third law is you have to change the negative number. Third law is if 2 raised to power minus 3, it will be 1 upon 2 raised to power 3. Or 2 raised to power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2. This is your third law. Okay. Then fourth law. Your fourth law is if 2 raised to power 2 and whole raised to power 5. So it will be 2 raised to power 10. Okay. 4 laws. Understood the 4 laws? Yes. Shreya, unmute yourself. Yes, Shreya.
Ma'am, in third law, where the negative sign has gone?
Negative sign we have to do the negative sign in the positive sign. So when we do reciprocal, negative becomes positive.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Mute yourself. Now see the next law. Put your hand down, beta. Now fifth law is if I write x raised to power 0 means any number raised to power 0 which is equal to 1. Always 1. Any number. Any variable. Okay? Because x is a variable. So when we put 0 upon variable, answer is 1. Or if I write 5 raised to power 0, answer is 1. If I write 2x plus y raised to power whole raised to power 0, answer is 1. Okay. Anything raised to power 0, answer is 1. Is it clear? It's a law, beta. It's a law. आपकी एक्सपोनेंट्स के लॉ हैं. Anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Now see the next law. Okay, leave this. Now we have to. Now listen. We have done the 5 laws. Now we are doing the first and second question. Okay. Now we are doing first and second question. Take out your books and see the first and second question. In first question, simplify the following expression. Simplify the following expression and express it in a single power. You have to write the answer in a single power. Please underline the word single power. Underline the word single power. Means when you solve the question, your answer is in power. Single power. Okay. Now first is, if I write 2 raised to power 3 multiply 2 raised to power 4. Okay. Now here When you see the question, the law comes in your mind. Which type of law is this? Why my voice is not audible? My voice is audible, beta. Yes, first law. When bases are same, powers are added. So what you have to do? You have to write like this. 2 raised to power 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 raised to power 7. And in front of that, what you have to write? The law. Because आपने इसके आगे लॉ लिखना है. यहाँ पे आपने क्या इस ब्रैकेट में क्या लिखना है? फर्स्ट लॉ लिखो. What you have to write in this bracket? I have no space here, so I am writing down. Okay. I'll send this work in your group or snap homework. No problem. I think connection problem is there. Network is very weak today. No problem, beta. Listen here. Now in this bracket, you have to write the law. What you have to write? A raised to power x multiply. Don't write, bacha. Into a raised to power y, which is equal to a raised to power x plus y. This you have to write. This you have to write in the bracket. In every bracket, when you solve the question, you have to write the formula law in the bracket in front of the answer. Okay? Yes, Samya. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बच्चा बोलो.
Excuse me, ma'am. जो आपने फोर्थ लॉ करवाया है मैम, उसमें जो 2 और रेस टू पावर जो 10 है मैम, वहाँ पे 10 कैसे आया?
क्या लिखवाया था मैंने फोर्थ लॉ में?
मैम आपने लिखवाया था 2 रेस टू पावर 5 2 एंड देन 5.
हाँ, तो 2 5 are 10. You have to multiply the
Yes,
powers,
ma'am.
no? You have to
Okay,
multiply
ma'am.
the powers. Okay.
Okay,
Samya, my
ma'am.
voice is audible. My voice is audible.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
बीच में कट तो नहीं रही है आवाज मेरी?
No, ma'am.
ओके. इसका मतलब कहीं नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है, नेटवर्क इशू इज देयर, जिन बच्चों को मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. ओके.
Thank you, ma'am.
ओके बेटा. Yes, Sirjan, unmute yourself.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
हाँ जी
with
बच्चा
each
बोलो.
and every question, ma'am, if the question contains the same law, so we have to write with
Yes.
each and every question.
Every part of the question. In
Okay,
front
ma'am.
of that, you have to write the law, which it means in front of the step. When you write in the steps, in front of the step, you have to write the law. Which law you are using in that step.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. I'll send you the work. Then you see how to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now next please see very carefully. B part. 3 raised to power 6 multiplied 9 raised to power 4. Now here bases are not same. So first step, you have to do the base same. How you do the base same? Now you have to see this is 3 and this is 9. 9 is a friend of 3. Means we have to write 3 raised to power 6 as it is. We cannot change 3 because 3 is a prime number. We have to change the 9. So 3 raised to power 6 as it is, multiply. How we write 9 in terms of 3? 3 multiply 3. 3 3s are 9. So 3 raised to power, if I write 3 raised to power 2, it means it is a 9. 3 into 3 is 9. ठीक है, 9 को मैंने break करके लिख दिया 3 raised to power 2. Okay, then what is the power of 9? 4. So we have to put a power 4 up. Okay, 9 को मैंने break किया 3 की form में and 4 power as it is. So it will be 3 raised to power 6 multiply. Now in which, here you have to write the law. Which law you have to write? A raised to power x and y. A raised to power x into y. ठीक है, you have to write the law here. यहाँ पे आपने law लिखना है. Now it is 3 raised to power 2 4s are 8. Now which law is here? When bases are same, powers are added. So you have to write the law, first law here. Again you have to write the law here. Then 3 raised to power 6 plus 8. Bases are same, powers are added. 3 raised to power 14 is your answer. Is it clear?
Ma'am, can you explain another example
Yes,
of this
ma'am.
question?
Yes, again, another question. I'll explain you. But understood this one? You have to break the number in terms of the smaller number.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, एक और देखो. First you write down this one. Okay, see the third part. Third part is 45 multiply 9 multiply 5. Now see here, all numbers are different. Which is the smallest number here? 5 only. So 5, it will remain as it is. Now what are the factors of 45 in terms of 5? 5 multiply 3 into 3. है ना, इसको आपने खोल दिया. और 9 को खोला आपने 3 multiply 3. 3 multiply 3 multiply और ये 5 आ गया. ये बन गया हमारा 45. 5 3 जा 15, 15 3 जा 45. ठीक है, ये 45 बन गया. ये 9 आया, 3 3 जा 9 लिख दिया ये मैंने. ये 5 आया, ये 5 लिख दिया. Means first step I have to open the all the numbers. LCM करके आप सारे numbers खोल लो. Okay. Now see the common number. 5 comes 2 times and 3 comes 4 times. तो 5 हमारे पास 2 बार आया है और 3 4 times. Clear? अब अगर आप लिखो तो 5 को 2 लिखो. अब हमें तो 3 को भी 2 बार लिखना है, बट 4 को आपने 2 में चेंज करना, बिकॉज मेरी पावर क्या है 2. तो मुझे 3 को भी 2 में लिखना है. कैसे लिखोगे? इन दोनों का एक पेयर बना दो, इन दोनों का एक पेयर बना दो. 3 3 जा 9, 3 3 जा 9. सो 9 रेज टू पावर 2 लिख दूंगी मैं इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकती हूँ. ठीक है, तो दोनों की पावर सेम हो गई. 5 रेज टू पावर 2 और 9 रेज टू पावर 2. मैंने इसमें पावर सेम कर दी. तो एक लॉ आपका इसमें ये भी है, व्हेन पावर्स आर सेम वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर्स. 5 9 are 45, एक ब्रैकेट में ऊपर 2 लिख दो, कॉमन 2 आ गया. तो 5 9 are 45 raised to power 2. Understood?
Ma'am, can you
You have
explain
to
again?
practice. बच्चा, this you have to practice again and again. आपको ऐसे क्वेश्चन बार बार प्रैक्टिस करने पड़ेंगे खुद. देखो ना, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ओपन 45, open the numbers with the LCM. 5 into 3 into 3. Only prime numbers you have to use. 9 is 3 into 3. 5 is 5. Okay. Now I'm explaining again, beta. See on the screen. दोबारा देखो. अगर मैंने लिखा 45 multiply 9 multiply 5. So first you open 45. 45 को open करो, क्या आएगा? 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45. Now you have to open 9. 3 into 3 9 हो गया. Then you have to write 5 only. Okay. Now what are the pairs? 5 come 2 times. 5 दो बार आया है और 3 4 times आया है. तो 5 आ गया 2 times और 3 आ गया 4 times. But again bases are different and powers are different. Any one thing you have to do the same. So आप इसको क्या करो, 3 को सेम करो. तो 3 वाले में 4 3s are there. So how you become into power of 2? So make one pair of these 2 3 and make one pair of these 2 3. So it will be 5 raised to power 2 multiply 9 raised to power 2. 3 3s are 9 का एक पेयर बन गया, 3 3s are 9 का एक पेयर बन गया. ठीक है. फिर आपने क्या करना है, 5 और 9 को मल्टीप्लाई 5 into 9 and whole raised to power 2. It is 45 raised to power 2. Clear now?
मैम हमारे यहाँ पे जो फॉर्मूलाज लिखवाए हैं आपने साथ में ही, वो हमारे लिखना जरूरी है?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बेटा. Very important. In each and every line you have to write the formulas, laws.
ओके मैम.
हाँ जी. Okay, see the next. Next is simple. Okay, see the E part. A raised to power B multiply A raised to power 3. So when bases are same, powers are added. You have to write the law. So A raised to power B plus 3. So this is your answer. So B plus 3 we cannot add because B is the alphabet and 3 is a number, constant. Okay. So we cannot add. So this is the answer. A raised to power B plus 3. Okay. Try the other two parts.
ओके मैम.
Now, question number 2. Simplify the following using the laws of exponent. Now you have to simplify. Simplify means you have to take out the answer. You have to take out the value. अब आपको आंसर निकालना है. पॉवर से हटाकर आंसर निकालना है. ठीक है. Now first is 4 raised to power 6 divided by 4 raised to power 3. Now which law is using here? Law number 2. Yes, law number 2. When bases are same, powers are subtracted. In division, when bases are same, powers are subtracted. You have to write it here. Yes, you have to write it here. So 4 raised to power 6 minus 3. So it will be 4 raised to power 3. Now it will come in the power, but you have to simplify it. Means yes, 64. 4 multiply 3 times. It means 4 multiply 3 times. 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. So 64 is the answer. Understood?
मैम ये वाला पार्ट एक और बार एक्सप्लेन कर दो.
अगला एक और क्वेश्चन देखो इसका. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो. If I write 3 raised to power 6 divided by 3 raised to power 2. Again, bases are same, powers are subtracted because it is in division. So 3 raised to power 6 minus 2. So 3 raised to power 4. It means 3 is multiplied how many times? 4 times. So 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. कितना आ गया? 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. Now it is clear? Okay,
yes
good.
मैम.
Okay, now see the next. Next is if I write 3 raised to power 4 divided by 3 raised to power 5. So again, bases are same, powers are subtracted. So 3 raised to power 4 minus 5. So it will be 3 raised to power what?
Minus
4
1.
minus 1. Yes. Now my answer is in minus. Yes, Niharika, very good. So we have to do in positive. 1 upon 3 raised to power 1. Or we can write 1 upon 3. ठीक है, negative becomes positive. All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Here, yes. Here you have to write the law. यहाँ पे आपने law भी लिखना है. यहाँ पे भी इसके और इसके सामने भी law लिखना है. इधर इधर इसके लिए भी law लिखना है. यहाँ पे भी law लिखना है आपने. 2 laws are using in one question. So you have to write 2 laws. जितने law use होते हैं, you have to write all. Now see in the fraction. If I write 2 upon 3 raised to power 3 divided by minus 2 upon 3 raised to power 7. Again in division, bases are same, powers are subtracted. Your answer is, you have to write the law. Minus 2 upon 3 raised to power 3 minus 7. So what will be
Minus
the
2.
answer?
Minus 4.
2 raised to power 3 raised to power minus 4. Now change it into, because your power is in minus, negative. So what you have to do?
Reciprocal.
Yes, 3 upon minus 2 raised to power 4.
4.
3 upon minus 2 raised to power 4. Now you have to open the number. 3 multiply 4 times and minus 2 multiply 4 times. See here now. After this, 3 multiply 4 times, because we have to simplify the question. And minus 2 multiply 4 times. You have to write in brackets, because 2 signs never come together. So 4 minus will be cut. So what will be the answer? 3 3s are 9, 9 3 27, 3s are 81.
81.
81 upon 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So this is your answer. Clear? Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So question number 1 and 2, please do in your copy.
Okay,
I'll show
ma'am.
you. Wait, I'll show you how to do. And I'll send you afterwards. I have done for you. Have you seen? Like this,
Yes,
you have to
ma'am.
write the, like this, you have to
Laws.
write the laws. Okay? In front of every
Okay.
step, you have to write the law. In front of step, you have to write the law. Clear? I'll send you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So like this, you have
Okay,
to write.
ma'am.